Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your table borders in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let us get in. Of course, we are going to need a table so we can customize these borders. So I've got a table right over here. Now what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the table, and right now you can't actually define each one of these cells and rows. So what we're going to look for is table design right at the top, and here you will see that there is a little option that says borders. And then to the right, you will see draw borders. Now you can manually draw these borders. So what we're going to go ahead and do is the first one, you can choose the type of border. So let us say we want to choose this dotted line, and then you can choose the thickness. We're going to go 2 1/4, and you can now go ahead and draw these borders. So you can say you want this one over here and so forth. What then you can do after that is go to this borders drop down menu, and you can tap on any one of these options. It'll show you how to completely customize your table with your borders. So you can tap on all borders, and here you can clearly see every one of the cells and rows have borders. Now let's say I want to change just this one over here. I'm going to select that specific one, and now I'm going to go back to table design, back to borders, and I'm going to say no borders. Now you can see that this particular one has no borders, but let's say I want to insert a border back onto the top of this cell. We're going to go back into borders, and here you can see there is a top, bottom, left and right, and you're just going to say top border. Now that is back, and you can do the exact same with everything else that you see here. All you have to do is click on the block and jump in to the borders options and go tap on the appropriate one. You've now customized your table borders in PowerPoint. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.